Welcome to IntelliSoft Software Urutech FZE, where IntelliSoft Software is our business name that represents Africa, and Urutech FZE is our business name that represents the Middle East. And in this video, we will introduce you to our new module, which is named Post-Daily Checks with Payment and Receipt Vouchers. We have two versions of this module. One is bilingual, i.e. you get printouts in both Arabic and English on the same report, so it serves the purposes of customers who have preferences for both languages. And we'll also be having another version which is just English. Okay, so the layout and format of the reports will be slightly adapted. Okay, so regarding the module, it's actually a two-in-one module, as the name suggests. So basically it provides basic management of post-daily checks, and it also provides for printing of payment and receipt vouchers. So it is supported in both community and enterprise for Odoo version 11 and 10. So basically the module customizes Odoo, where you can actually enter check information in the case of post-daily checks, and the amount in words is there by default, so you don't need to enable it. Okay, it is there. And you can also add receive from or paid to field, where it will actually show out on the printout report. Very simply, after you fill in the information and confirm your payment, in the case of customer payments, you click on receive vouchers, and this is actually the layout of the report. Very nicely organized, as you can see, and bilingual here. In this case, you have English and Arabic. As I mentioned, the English version will only be English, and it will have a slightly different layout. And because we entered a name here, Ali Ahmed, in the field received from paid to here, will actually appear here. Okay, and she has a place to sign. Okay, and the user is automatically fetched in here. And as I should mention is that whatever field is left blank will not appear on the report. So let's say you enter just the check number and not the branch, and then it's okay, all will appear except for the branch. Or you don't enter memo, okay, then in that case the memo field will not appear. Okay, so the report adapts itself based on what data has actually been entered. It's the same scenario for payments. Okay, so as you can see here, for payments, you just click on payment voucher and you get a very similar report. And as I mentioned, we have a basic post-daily check management functionality, where we've added a new inbound payment called receivable check. Due date also appears on the tree or the list view. Okay, and you have a filter by customer checks, you have a filter by vendor checks. Okay, and you can group by the due date of checks, so as to know which checks are due on what particular month. And you can very easily get all the checks due today just by using the checks due filter. So it's a very useful module, and as I mentioned, it's a two-in-one module. So there are actually two versions of this video. This is the English version, and there is also an Arabic version that is available. So just let me quickly give you an overview of the module. So as you can see here, okay, this is the payments menu. This is the check due. As you can see, we have a new payment method here, receivable check. So let's very quickly enter check information. So let's say they pay a check 900. As you can see, amount in words there. And whenever you choose on the bank journal, as you can see here, okay, it disappears and appears. Cash, of course, I don't have a check. So when I click on bank, then it asks you, is it a post-daily check? You click on yes, or you select true, then you can enter the check information. I'll leave this blank. Okay, confirm it, print it. Okay, and as you can see, this is your report or your receipt voucher. As you see, memo has disappeared because it has been left blank. Okay, same functionality for purchases. Okay, or for vendor payments. And I just want to mention some slight difference here. So basically here again, so instead of clicking on post edit check, okay, you can just use Odoo's default check printing functionality for vendors, where when you click on check, it will automatically select, okay, post edit check. Okay, so as you can see, it has been seamlessly integrated with Odoo's default functionality, so we'll get no conflicts whatsoever. Okay, so here let's look at this example. Okay, I'll enter the memo here. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so let's look at our payment voucher. Okay, as you see, everything is there. Okay, yes, finally a quick overview, okay, of our basic post edit check management thing. Grouping by check due date, filtering customer checks, all checks due today. Okay, so it's there. So as you can see, it's a very nice, useful module. It's a 2-in-1 module, provides basic post edit check management as well as printing of printing of payment and receipt voucher reports. That's it from us, and we will be adding let's say a more sophisticated post edit check management module in the near future. That's all from us. Thank you and goodbye.